Heavy construction equipment and machinery used in construction industry. Part 2. Features of a self-loading concrete mixer. Compact design. Fully automatic operation. Reliable, high-performance concrete mixing. Dumper in miniature. This tiny dumper truck has a mechanical design and is operated by 4 wheels. The maximum load weight is 250 kilograms. It can be utilized on outdoor construction sites to transport bricks, cement bags, sand, and stones. There are numerous options available, including a flatbed, extended sides, ball hitch, and power lift. Truck for concrete pipe. Concrete pump trucks deliver concrete precisely where it is needed, saving time and money on labor costs. Concrete pump trucks also reduce the quantity of workers required to put the concrete. Excavators. Excavators are big machines that can be driven on wheels or tracks, however tracks are more common for machines of this size. An excavator has a long arm that can spin 360 degrees and is coupled to a pivoting cab. With a high vision facility, the long arm is operated from the cab. The following are some of the most common excavator applications. Material handling. Excavation of trenches, dugouts, and foundations. Brush cutting with hydraulic attachments. Destruction. Rough grading. Heavy lifting and pipe installation. For more information call 214-773-0207 or visit celliarconstructionequipment.com.